Namaskar to all. So last time we are showing practical number 7. That time we are found the friction value. Like we using a two surface. Like both surface are the wooden surface. And that time we are showing a one plane surface like wooden straight surface. We put a one block, and then after we using a normal reaction on the block. After we using some force on the pen, and that time we are found like a frictionless surface, like a which mass now the block moving very easily. But that time we are using a zero angle. So that time we are not using any type of angle. So now today the practical number 8, same practical part be like. Practical number 8, 7, the different figures. But like here, a same practical. Today again, we are using a one surface, and we using some forces, and now today again we moving some block. But today what is different? The last time the same practical, today again. So different only here. First, today we are using a glass surface. Glass, glass have no friction. Totally 100% a smooth surface, no friction. Second thing, today we using no a wooden block, but today we using a metal rollers. Now this roller we moving on the glass surface, the second difference. And third one, today we using some angle like of 5 degrees, 10 degree, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. So three different today we are using, but concept same. Using a pen, we put weight on the pen, and we showing here a frictionless surface. Everything is the same method, same process, same table. Just only I discuss here three different today we found here. So we starting a practical number 8 one. So now topic, inclined plane. Maybe some students asking me, sir, this topic we are not showing in textbook. But I hope so. It's a second or third chapter in your physics textbook. So whenever the tuition or school, whenever you now showing up to, so next level or next semester, definitely you showing this topic on your textbook. So that time you are showing us some theory points. In the practical course, we are just discuss here, not deep in the theory, just only the minimum. Minimum is normal topics like how to perform the practical, which instrument we are using here, and the answer written in our record books, etc. So now A, to find the downward force along an inclined plane acting on a roller due to gravity, and study its relationship with the angle of inclination by plotting a graph between force and the sine theta. So sine theta means today we are using an angle and a force. We apply the force. So only the one calculation here, only the graph. We plot a graph between the force and the angle because we are using here a different type of angles. So definitely we using this requires some materials, apparatus. So first one, inclined plane with a protector and pulley. Why protector? Because definitely we want angle. Roller like one metal rollers, weight box, spring balance, spirit level, pan, and the thread. So what is the concept of given this inclined plane? Here I showing some one circuit, one the diagram figures and some wording. Whenever some asking me, so we are not understood here this theory because we are not studying our textbook. So how can possible? But only just formality. You showing some line here. So here consider the setup shown in figure. Here a roller of mass m1 has been placed on an inclined plane, making an angle theta with the horizontal and upward force along the inclined plane could be applied on the mass m1 by adjusting the weight on the pen suspended with a string while its other end. is attached to the mast through a pulley fixed at the top of the inclined plane. So now you're showing in the figure like Q. It's a dollar. Like we using some angle here between A to C, and that time we're showing an angle like surface AB. It's a plane surface, glass surface, and we using a one pulley from the B. We using some force on the pulley. So that way, definitely this roller moving up upper side, so it is upward, and maybe this roller coming in the down, it is downwards. It is a definition whenever coming in your theory session, like upwards and the downwards. So every practical has some observation. It is a fill in the blanks, because without perform the practical, first you showing this fill in the blanks in your examiner in exam time. Definitely in exam time I am available. So you each and everyone showing to me only, directly copy this answer, but without showing. So first of mass of the dollar, like it's a symbol small m, but symbol M1 capital. So 120 gram, it is a non-value. Mass of the scale one, so 25 gram, symbol M2. We are using this pen on last practical on 7 number, and definitely small g, because we are performing the practical in environment. So that time we want a value of small g. So it is a 9.8 meter per second square every time. So now today the table, simple table, only 4 column. First one theta. It is a non-value. In the exam time I provide you like angles. So today we using a 5 angle, like a 5, 10, 15, 20 or 25. Otherwise using a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 as per your convenience. But in our setup maximum 45 angles. So no possible to 10, 20, 30. So definitely we are using a 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now next column sin theta. It's a non-value, because in your record book in the last some pages you are showing some like this type of values like a sine, cos or tan. So directly copy from these books like what is the value of sine 5, 10, 15, etc. Now third column, mass air to pan M3, 10, 22. So some asking me, sir, how can possible 10, 22, how can possible this value should become? So now here we written of 5 values, but now in the live videos I showing you the angle 5 and angle 10, and that way you are showing the values like how can possible 10 and how can possible 22. So first video you showing some introduction like instruments, and the second video you are showing a live practicals. So now each and everyone enjoy here the live practical demo, and then after we discuss remaining points. Hope so you understood very well from these live videos, because I am also unable to showing you in the lab. Definitely I every time asking you after starting a school, every practical I showing you with the live. Okay, but before that, one line is a common, complete your record books compulsory, because after starting a school, definitely I want your record book for my signature. So now you enjoy here a live videos. This live video starting with the first introduction of the instrument, and the second videos you are showing a live 2 practicals, live 2 readings like an angle of 5 and angle of 10. So now here we showing inclined plane setup. Now this setup have a totally a glass surface, means here no friction. Now in the last time in the practical number, whenever we showing a one surface, that time we moving a simple wooden block on the plane surface, but that time we found some frictions. But here we moving here one of the metal rollers, so very easily he moving here. But whenever it is zero angle, so it is without mass, definitely he moving. But what is the difference now this practical? So this practical difference here, you showing one of the angle. So you showing within some values like here you check. So you check here starting with the 0, then after 5 angle, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and up to going to 50 angle. So in this practical, we using some angle here. Suppose starting from 5 degree, then after 10, after 15, 20, up to last. So we take here a reading 5. So starting with the 5, but how can possible? So now you show here very easily. Now he going in the upper side. So that means we fit here like as per our readings like angles, like a 5 angle we fit here. Then after 10 degree, then after 15, then after 20 and the 25 is the last. So first we starting with the 5. So now it is the introduction of given setup. Now in the second videos we are showing here a live practical. So now each and everyone enjoy. So now after introduction of given setup, now we starting our practical. So as per observation table, we have some angle. So first we set angle like a 5 degree. So you check here a 0 and then after a 5. So this scale should become on 5. So it is our first starting range. Now then after we put a one roller on the surface in the center of the side and the pen as usual we put here. Now we put some minimum mass on the pen, and that time we show it this roller moving very easily on this glass surface. So starting with the 5 grams. So we starting with the 5 grams is the minimum, and then after we put on the pen. We check here whenever the roller moving or not. It is not possible. So we using 2 grams more. We put on the pen, and then after we check again. Here no effect, no moving this roller on the surface. We increase mass more 2 grams, and then after we check again. Now here we show. I think it is a slide. Okay, fine. So whenever it is not moving very fast, so we increase mass more and more. So that time we remove like this 9 grams we put first. So remove here and directly put again. We set this center point and we put 10 directly on the pen, and we check again this roller moving or not. So you saw very easily it is moving. So then after we check the mass on the pen. So definitely we showing here it is 10 gram. So first value 5 degree angle we found a 10 gram. So now after 5 we check a second angle. So 10. So you show here we set here so 10 angle. Now again we starting here with suppose 20. So 20 gram we put on the pen, and we check here. Now this roller moving or not. So it is not possible because sometimes it stop here. So we increase minimum like 2 grams more in this pen, and we check again. Now this roller, okay, now you see a roller moving very easily. So now we consider the mass like here on the pen starting at 20 gram. So and next one is a 2 gram. So total mass it is a 20 plus 2, it is a 22 against the 10 angle. So now you are showing here an angle of 5 and angle of 10. So that base we are found the value. Now the remaining angle like 15, 20, 25, it is a repeat based practical. So now each and everyone understood very easily. So now we discuss again a table over. So as per the live videos, we have found here values like a 10 against the 5 angle, 22 against the 10, and after remaining I perform the practical myself and return the values like a 30 against the 15, 38 against the 20, and the 45 against 25. So last column apply the force because we want the value of W is the main importance. So M2 plus M3. M2 what? M2 it is the mass of the scale pen. It's a 25 gram. So every value of the M3 plus with the 25. So definitely we found the force. means 10 plus 25, so 35. 22 plus 25 is a 47. 30 plus 25 is a 55. 38 plus 25 is a 63. And 45 plus 25 is 70. So as per the aim, we want the two values like theta and the w. So after we plotting a one graph, the w against sine theta, so definitely we found the straight line, only straight line. We no want any calculation, any like a slope. So this practical over here. So last no calculation after this column. Directly plot a one simple graph, only straight line, and your practical is complete here. So friends, after 7, we are showing a number 8. So very simple and easy practical. Hope so you understood here and enjoy very well. So next time we are meet again with the next new practicals, because as per the syllabus before Diwali, only the practical 1 to 8. Now we completed in live videos like first, second, third. Then after we moving 6, 7, 8. Now remaining 4 and 5. So next time we try to come with the number 4 and number 5. Any one practical we are just keep in the laboratories like a number of 4, because some problems should be found we in our lab in the setups. And definitely whenever those practical we are performing here, that way we conduct the exam. So no problem. Suppose and as per the syllabus we are not performing the practical any one or two, so that practical not coming in your exam time. Okay friends, hope so you enjoy in your home very well.